Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we are going to be fixing, for real, the garden so that I can maybe get some fall crops planted and that they'll be successful. So what we're going to do today is we're going to remove all of the hardwood mulch that I put on in the summer that apparently totally messed up the nitrogen content. We're going to remove that. We're going to amend the soil with compost and manure. And then we are going to mulch it with straw instead of hardwood mulch. So let's get into it. Well, we did it. Whew, I am tired and my back hurts. But we got the mulch out of every bucket. So now my dad is gonna come by later and we'll take his truck to go get some compost. And then I'll top these beds off with compost and cow manure and hope that it amends the soil. And I'm gonna actually leave a few summer crops in here because they're starting to thrive finally. It's only first part of August, but you know. So yeah, we'll get that done and then hopefully the soil will be amended enough to plant a fall crop soon. If not, it should be good to go for next year. So here's to hoping. Yeah. So as you can see, we did get it done yesterday, but I ran out of daylight and energy. So I just wanted to give you kind of an early morning garden tour of everything that got done and everything that is sort of thriving. All of my berry bushes are hanging in there. They don't look wonderful, especially that red currant bush right there, but they're hanging in there. So I'm hoping by amending the soil, I can bring them back to life. My sunflower is about to start flowering. The gladiola seem to like the crappy soil. I have a couple habaneros. I have a lot of strawberry blooms. I have a lot of flowers coming up still. I do have a red tomato in there. The yard-long beans, I think, have run their course. They're pretty much done. Over here, the horseradish is doing great. The rhubarb has recovered. It looked pretty bad for a while. The corn, I'm just giving up on. And then the citrus trees, my lemon is getting a nice size, but I'm hoping by amending the soil, I can give this plant time to recover. It is still pretty yellow. This variegated one is down to one sad leaf. But the lime and kumquat tree look fine. Over there, nothing really happening except some onions and garlic, which I think I'm just gonna leave over winter and see what they do. I do have a nice sized tomato plant here. It doesn't really have very many flowers, but there's still time, so I'm hoping I get just a few tomatoes out of it. The peppers in this section are just kind of, I think they're pretty much done. They do have some flowers, but they look so sad. This tomato section, again, nothing really to speak of. The tomatillos do have a lot of flowers and even some small fruits coming, so maybe I'll get some tomatillos. This tomato, oh look! This tomato plant actually has tomatoes. I hadn't seen that. Cool. Over here though, my watermelon has gone crazy, so that's exciting. I do have some different squashes and zucchinis that are making a comeback. Same over here, another zucchini and another zucchini. But yeah, so I just wanted to give you a quick tour of everything I got done yesterday. As you could see yesterday, I started to run out of steam when darkness finally hit, and so I convinced Keegan to come out and help me with the last section of dirt, and he helped me put the straw on all of the buckets. So if you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, go ahead, comment, subscribe, all of those things, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Thanks guys, bye.